Hi guys, welcome on the channel. I welcome everyone who likes actually do-it-yourself projects and building your own battery system. Most of them I recommend 48 volt system for the photovoltaic and so on and so on. And I would like to introduce you the Global Power page where you can buy very solid cells for it and also boxes. They have actually on the market now available EV cells. You can see it is the MB31 model. You can pick whatever you connector terminal you like, and you can even purchase the EV MB56, which are actually something like double the MB31. They are now offering also the box, actually build it with the EV cells, and you will get cells and the box in one package, which is, let me say, a little bit more better on the value. You can reach, let me say, better price. If you will be collecting the cells self and the box alone, I think you will end up a little bit higher. But maybe you have some cells already at home and you are searching just the box, then this box is a really solution. I just got from Global Power one box for the testing. We will have a look on it on the second video that I will be making. It will be showcase, unboxing, building up. We will make everything this box ready. Unfortunately, we have cells only, I think in the storage I have now Gaussian cell. So we will build it with the Gaussian cell. But I would like to see the BMS, we have a look on the everything, setting up everything, and then we will plug it to the system. So that's something that will be coming in the future. I guess by the end of this month we will have it. But if you really want to buy some kind of cells, for example, you decide, okay, I would like to buy those CV. It's $80. I'm not saying it's really exactly perfectly cheap, but it used to be 80 euros. So actually it's dropping down, let me say, like 10% minimum. I see there is only 8 pieces left. But if we would like to, for the showcase, it's interesting. You always go 12 and then bam, 20. They skip the step 16. But definitely when you make the pre-order, you will have ability to check it and see how does it look. Definitely you can use also the special extra code, and it is the expire free day. When you apply, you get another 2%. See, so that's very, very lovely. It doesn't even have the limit, so this special code you have for me, and you can use it freely on any purchase. It's not limited to any product, and they have other products like batteries from other sources, BMSs for many other purposes. There is a lot of things for the photovoltaic and also mobile camping and so on things. So when you have all 16 pieces there, you see we are already saving, let me say, some small money. It is 50, and because we are ordering, it should be even a little bit less. And when you go checkout, I had to actually change it to 8 pieces because there is only 8 on the store, and they are not willing to sell you more than 8 pieces. But you see there will be also coming some kind of shipment, which is actually $25 for 8 pieces. So if you just take the calculator and you make 25, 69 and 8, it is $3.2 per cell extra for the shipping. It used to be for free, but also the price of the cells used to be a little bit higher. At the end, you can see you will be reaching a price for the cell. Let's count it exactly. It also depends on your payment, what you do. If you will be using any of those options or PayPal, you will have those 4.4% fee. The only way it is the bank transfer, you will reach 0. I have special videos how to make it over the, let me say, bank transfer. So it is the best option where you say 4.4% and it's quite a lot of money, you see. And with this price, you are actually getting the $80. When you have the discount code, it will actually cover your shipping cost. So 640.09 and then you go 8, it is $80 exactly, and it is the price to your door. So I think it is very fine. Used to be maybe sometimes a little bit better, but in the old times I was using the euros. Definitely the US is a little bit better because they have better course between. I recommend using the payment in the US. So this one is exactly like it is, and the price 80. If you would like to buy, 80. I think for now, I think it is all I wanted to say. You have the code, the expire free day, and next time we will search and make the video about this box. I am really wondering because the price is very nice. If you imagine like you are saying, okay, 515, it is so much money, so much money. And you are right, it's a lot of money. But anyway, you have all cables inside, all balancer cable inside. You have the BMS, you have the communication cables, you have terminals, you have box, you have holders, you have wheels. There is so many things and this box already has it. So the price in the total, it's not so dramatical. If you imagine you will be building your own shelf, then you need to buy the steel, then you need to work on it, weld it, use these screws and other material, and so on and so on. This one is offering the compression of the cells already. It is so much things that you have already inside, including the BMS and the display. And you just put the cells inside, you fit all screws you should have there, and you are ready. If you imagine the time that you will spend and material on your own shelf, it will be very I would say, I don't know how is your time, for example, but 1 hour of my time is, let me say, a little bit crazy. And if you count the time that you will spend on the working, at the end you will pay more than when you buy the final product. That's what I think, and that's why I recommend to buy those. It is very easy. For example, if you will be building very big shelf, let me say for, I don't know, 128 cells, maybe something like this, you will be building very big battery storage, then I think it has maybe some kind of point to build your own, because you can fit it exactly to the room where you want to have it, and you can make much better, you can make the compressions all together. It will be so much easier after maybe even working on it and monitoring and so on, and you can make the parallel packs and so on and so on. I think for this one, when you need to 1-2 boxes, it's very fine. If you go more, it may be worth to build your own, but build the rack for one, it's really crazy. It is so much work. You will spend the same time and same money like on the 4 boxes shelf, and here you can buy one direct. So that's my opinion. Everything is up to you. If you would like to buy, use it. If no, don't buy it. It's really up to you, and you can wait for the next video. Will be coming review, unpacking and so on of this nice box. So thank you for the watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.